Hello, welcome back. This is Lucas Rubicky, and in this lesson, I am going to show you how to organize your code into logical containers using submodules. Modules in AngularJS are just that, containers. They allow you to separate your code by features, and then when you need to access that functionality in other parts of your application, you just need to inject that module as a dependency. So we already have a hint of the submodules that will exist because our file structure has done a really good job of defining the relationships that exist within the eggly application. Let's start with the models first, since they are common and we will need them as we get into specific features. So jumping into the bookmarks model file, we are going to call this submodule eggly models dot bookmarks, and then in the categories model we are going to call this eggly models categories. And then from here, let's go into the categories and we will create the categories module. And in the bookmarks, we will create the categories bookmarks module. And let us do the same for edit and create. And we will call this and so again, just being self-documenting, and so somebody looks at the submodule, they know by the name of it exactly what it does. And so we've actually defined all of the modules for the application, but we have not actually connected any of them yet. The categories module will obviously need to communicate with the categories model submodule, so let's inject that now. So if we go here to the second parameter, we will just inject this here. So and we just simply need to put the string of the name that we called that submodule. And then let's go to the bookmarks. And the bookmarks submodule actually needs the categories and the bookmarks model. But we also need to expose the edit and create submodule. So we will go here and just type these in. And now we go into our main application and we just need to inject the categories submodule and the categories bookmarks submodule. And when you include a submodule into another submodule and then that submodule into the main module, it's a transitive relationship. And so because we included the edit and create submodules into bookmarks, it's now available to the main eggly application. So it's, again, almost like a file structure, but with containers, aka submodules. And so now we have a self-documenting file structure, and we've established the programmatic relationships via submodules. Now things are going to get really interesting as we learn how to navigate between these entities and their states in the next lesson, where I will introduce UI router and state machines. See you in the next lesson.